Welcome back to the page. Today we have a broken taillight lens on the Isuzu Trooper I picked up over the weekend. I'm sure you'll see this thing in some many videos. I looked all over for a taillight lens, and I just happened to figure, you know what? That van we hauled home the other day has some decent lenses on the back. So O'Reilly's doesn't make them. No one makes these anymore, and they don't sell them for the Trooper unless you get them used, and they're like $100. So I took this van tail light out and we cut all the way around it, so we have just the lens here, and we're gonna take that with some wood screws and just screw it up over right now and keep it legal. So here we go. I'm just using some sheetrock screws. They should work. It's just temporary till I go to salvage yard and find one. Yeah, a little crackly never hurt no one. I didn't help the pre-drill, but it don't gotta be straight. Gotta work. Well, that one went through. Guess these are kind of brittle. Very brittle. This ain't working. Not good enough. Let her wobble. There you go. Patch taillight lens for free. Until next time, or until I get pulled over with it, please like and subscribe.